Welcome to Wayne's Weird World. I apologize for the poor sound. $100 earbuds with built-in microphone that aren't worth a pittance. Anyway, this is what I've got. This is the guts of the firebox, of the hearth. Okay, that goes in there. All gets lined up with clay. And I'm really grumpy because the microphone in these earbuds isn't worth twit. Shit, whatever. Cheers. Anyway, I mixed up some clay that I had in the shed. Added some sand vermiculite. This is what I'm doing. Oh, I gotta get rid of that last bit of ash. That'll do. So I'm just going to line the fire pit, the hearth of the forge, and I think it should be fine. One advantage will be that I'll be able to rake the coals back into the hearth. Now, I'll try and get a little bit of clay packed in here without cutting my fingers. Because that's the end of the drum, and then this end was cut off the other end. So it's just going to try and take a little bit of the weight, keep it from buckling, so it lasts a little bit longer. Then I'm just going to take the brake drum, which is the hearth, and just set it back in place into the clay. It'll have to dry for about 2-3 days, but we've got some good weather. Blue skies, quite warm. Take it off like gloves. Okay. Line up the hole. Where is it? That's it. That's it. Now we'll just let that dry. Now, how am I going to turn the camera off. I've got a hose over here. Excuse me a minute. Uh-oh. Because otherwise I'm going to have clay all over my phone. And it's a new phone. That's it. Woohoo! Wayne's Weird World. See you next time. Cheers.